Take a mixing bowl and into it add 300 grams of cauliflower florets. Then add 3 tablespoons of rice flour, a tablespoon of corn flour, 3/4 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt and some water. I've used approximately 1/4 cup of water in total. Pour little by little and then mix this well. Let the cauliflowers be coated well with the batter. If needed, add another tablespoon of corn flour. The batter should not be too thin or too thick. Now, we will have to deep fry the cauliflower florets. So heat enough oil in a kadai and gently drop in the batter coated cauliflowers. If needed, fry them in 2 batches. Deep fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Then remove it from the oil. Drain the excess oil and transfer this to a plate with a tissue. Keep this aside. Into a pan add 3 tablespoons of oil, followed by 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute this for a while. Then add in 3 to 4 green chillis that are roughly chopped. Fry this on a medium heat for around half a minute. Now it's time to add the sauces. So simmer the flame and add 2 tablespoons of green or red chili sauce, a teaspoon of soya sauce and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix the sauces well. Then add in 1/4 cup of water. You can increase the heat to a medium now. Continue mixing this for a minute. Then lower the flame and pour in some corn flour slurry. To make the slurry, dissolve a tablespoon of corn flour in 3 tablespoons of water. Continue stirring this till the sauce thickens. Now check the taste and add salt as required. The sauces already have salt content in it, so make sure to taste it before adding the salt. Now it's time to add in the deep fried cauliflowers. Gently mix with the sauce and make sure it's coated well. Stir it for 2 minutes, then add in some sesame seeds. If you do not have it, you can skip this step. Give it one final mix and turn off the flame. Your crispy and saucy Gobi fry is now ready to be served. Enjoy!